Hello, I'm Marielis with WTI. If your vanity is a mess and all your lipsticks are everywhere, well, this organizer is for you. This 24-slot organizer is perfect for organizing our lipsticks and eliminating the mess. I have loved it. It is much easier to put on makeup. You don't have to look for shades like crazy or worry that they may get dirty, break, or drip. It is not only the fact that we can organize very well our lipsticks, it is also that now we can find the shade we are looking for. It is made of plastic, and it's so easy to clean. Each box is a good size for the different lipsticks. Even the ones that are very thin I can put into. I also love that they come like a leather because we can see them all. But I usually do is put the smallest one in front and the tallest ones at the back. And that way I can see all them perfectly. And that's my point of view.